Hey guys, it's been a long time. It's Sunday, May 19th, approximately 5 p.m. in the evening. I know I haven't done an update in a long time, but really hasn't been anything to update. Haven't been doing anything, but I got some things to do, so let's start. Alright, here's what I'm going to use to make a raised bed garden. So we got those. I don't know if I got enough of them or not. Got them from work, free. So we'll see. If not, I'm sure I got enough wood laying around here. I can finish them off. All I gotta do is take some pallets apart, or that. I've been splitting wood. I've got this tree to finish up, but right now it's getting too big for me. Well, I'm thinking about cutting that, and if it's still good, I can get about $1,000 for that tree. I got two of them, so I'm thinking about selling them to the lumber yard that sells them to mills. Yeah, I got a lot of raspberry bushes around here. I'm gonna have to, I'll see there's more here. Here's my stump. With this holiday coming up, I might just nitpick some of this dirt out of there and catch it all on fire. Run the tree, I still gotta fix my deeds outlets. I've got it so that I can take the mower deck off and won't have to worry it'll run. I just gotta check my fuel pump. I might have missed the proper gear for it. It's not working, but all right. I know I was going to do a raised bed this year, but it's going to be a start. I tried rototilling this thing, and literally my rototill was going down maybe a half an inch, and that was it. Scraping mud. It's got so hard, so I asked one of my neighbors that has like a grader or a plow. He plowed it for me, and I just got done rototilling it. And now either later on this evening or tomorrow morning before I go to work, I'll go out and plant my plants and see how many more I've got. I'm gonna have a couple fires this year, looks like, because when the tree came down up here, they left me my neighbors left me a couple pieces to it and a bunch of branches, which I finally got cleaned up, threw them over here where I had a 4th of July fire to try to burn out a stump. And I got pretty much of it gone, but not enough. So I might catch that on fire. I won't have two at the same time. I'll have one. Get this on fire, because damn, I've got a lot. I've got a lot of wood to get rid of. I don't know where this came from, but I'm gonna cut that up, split that. Then I come walking around over here to the other half of my yard, and these came down, I don't know if off of my tree or my neighbor's trees, but I'm gonna have to cut those up smaller. I might just cut them up small enough for mine, or come so I can drag them over to the other one, leave them sitting. And when I got 4th of July comes, I'll have another fire up here. Memorial Day, I'll probably have a fire down there. And then I've got to get into these pallets. I think I finally figured out how to tear them apart. I'm going to find out. See which way is going to work. I've got another idea that might work. I don't really care about that bottom. So I might just see about getting a plug maker for making plugs for wood and flip them over and drill the plugs out, because that should give me enough room. I don't know, it might be on an angle, might not work, but I'll figure out some way to get these apart. But I don't really want to cut them. Get a weed eater going, around my fire pit. Once I get that weed eated, I can use my push motor to keep it down. I got all this to burn. I got more in there. I've got wood all over the place. I got wood down in that pile there. I've got to burn. I've got wood back there. I've got to transplant. And I've got to get my boy's yard mowed. With that tree down, I can't get the rider in, and it's branches all over the place. It's hard for me to do anything in there. Now it's so high, and I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do it. I might just get a weed eater and weed eat it. That's it. Let's just waste a thing of twine on it, but at least it'll get done. And like I said, this I'm gonna use for my raised bed. I'm gonna get cardboard from work, put that down too. And if I need to, I'll just cut holes around it where I got my tomato plants, or cut in pieces around it, stake it down, and just keep sweeping my grass and putting it over there, because the tree companies that said they would deliver wood chips haven't delivered any. So it's like you ask, they say yeah, and then they never commit. So, all right, I ain't complaining. I'm not that. I've got my plants ready to go in. I got like 6 ghost pepper plants. I really can't get anything else. Got a couple habaneros and my bunch of tomato plants. And oh, that's dry. I gotta give these a drink again. All righty. Well, hang on. I gotta go see about giving these plants a drink. So let me go and get some water and give them a drink. But at least that's an update for you guys. Sorry I haven't done one in so long, and I've got to get this done. Hopefully every week from now on I'll be able to put updates up and show you that I'm doing stuff around here again, because my house turned back into a pigsty. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.